Hello, third graders. This is the mini lesson for comparing fractions with common denominators. Now, before we start, let's go ahead and review what a common denominator is, or fractions with common denominators. What are these fractions? So, a denominator, let's go ahead and just color that in blue. And already some students are going, I know why it's colored blue, or being underlined blue, because denominators are the numbers on the bottom of a fraction. So let's go ahead and take fourths. Let's do 1/4, and let's do 3/4. 3/4. Okay, these two fractions have common denominators. These are the same. Common denominators. These are our common denominators. Any fraction with the same denominator, we call them common denominator fractions. Okay, now let's go over the story problem here. And I tried to make it very similar to the bridge, but Oliver has a different amount this time. Miss Aisha got 3/8 of a brownie. Oliver got 6/8. Who got more? So right away you can see that we do have common denominators. We have common denominators here. The common denominator is 8. They both got eighths of the brownie, but the numerator is different. So this is probably, I'm hesitant to say the easiest way to compare fractions or the easiest comparing, but you'll see why I'm kind of leaning towards saying it is very easy. And the reason is because what does the denominator tell us? The denominator tells us always one thing: how many equal parts there are in the brownie, or how many equal parts there are. Okay? So let's go ahead and draw a brownie with 8 different equal parts. Okay, there's my brownie. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different parts, 8 equal parts. And now this can be, I'll draw Aisha's brownie right here, and Oliver's brownie right here. But we could use the same if we wanted to, the same brownie. So let's go ahead and shade in what Aisha got. And you probably, if you want to stop the video right now and guess which one is bigger and draw your own brownies, please do that. Now you can probably already predict which brownie is, or which student got more of the brownie. Okay, let's go ahead and continue the drawing. 3/8. Let's just go ahead and shade 3/8 here. 1, 2, and 3. And this is Aisha's brownie. Okay, let's go ahead and draw Oliver's. Okay, try to make it, they should be exactly the same, but always run into the difficulty of making them exactly the same when drawing freehand. All right, now 6/8 for Oliver. Okay, let's go ahead and shade 6. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 6. Okay. Now clearly you see who got more of the brownie. Aisha's 3/8 is clearly less than 6/8. Now, we didn't need to actually draw a picture for this, and you know this because of the numerator and the denominator. You know what those those parts of the fraction mean and tell you. So here, the denominator tells us that both students had, well, there was a brownie with 8 equal parts, and each student got a different amount of those equal parts. Well, 3 parts out of the 8 is not very much. 6 out of the 8 parts is quite a bit of the brownie. This is why I would say that this is the easiest way to compare fractions with common denominators.